Good morning, everyone. Today is January the 12th. Mark is back over and he started cutting the car down. He's starting out with 1,200 paper and he's going to go all the way up to 3,000. So he started his first pass and you can kind of see it's already looking really good. This, I don't know what it's showing on the camera, but this looks really flat now, like flat paint. But you can see that there's no orange peel or anything in it. It's just perfect. So, and he's got most of the back of the car hit down with the 1,200, didn't it, Mark? Or have you started on
1,500 at right now. We're at 15.
You're 15?
Now I'm going to 2,000.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so now he's going to 2,000.
Right.
So, and then we have, it jumps from 2,000 to 3,000. And this paper, it's designed to sand dry, which you wouldn't think it would, you know, being, 1,200 grit paper. But this 3M came out with this system a few years ago to where you can sand it dry, all except for the 3,000. You have to wet sand that. And then they have a 3-part process, but Mark's got a different way he does it. It's a lot easier and does an awesome job. So I'll go ahead and let him finish cutting on the car. And then once he starts buffing, then we'll shoot a little bit of video showing him buffing it out to see how quickly it shines up. But so far it's looking awesome. Trying to get the light to shine on it, but I can't get the, there we go. Looks like a mirror.
All right.
Hello everyone, today is January the 30th, 2026, and everything is cut and buffed on the car now. I've got T-tops done, the hood is finished, the wiper door, the doors, the hood vent, and the trim that goes on the wiper door. I've got that all cut and buffed. So everything is cut and buffed now. Mark got the car finished, and then he had another project come up he's been working on, so I went ahead and cut and buffed the rest of the parts. And I started putting the car back together, and I'll kind of show you roughly what I've done so far on it. I've got the rear end pretty much finished. I got the tail lights in, the new chrome Corvette emblem on the back, the lock for the security system, which doesn't work, but I put it in there just to fill the hole. And then I got new re-chrome bumpers, and those fit actually pretty good. They're not perfect, but they're as good as they're gonna get. These Corvettes, nothing fits right on them. And so anyway, that's pretty much all done there. Got the gas door in. I've got to do the antenna. I bought an electric antenna for it, so I'm gonna install that. I've got the rear vents in. I need to go ahead and buff the stainless piece that goes up here on the T-top rails, and then I can put those in. I've got one headlight in. I just finished doing that, and I was gonna probably try to video doing the other one. They're a real pain to do, and You can see that one, I got it lined up pretty good. It's not perfect, but these cars aren't perfect, but it lined up better than I thought it would. So anyway, I'm gonna start on this side next, on the driver's side. And once I get that finished, then I can go ahead and put the radiator support back in so I can get this front end sitting exactly where it's gonna sit. And then I'll put the front bumper and the front grills and everything in. And then the next thing I'll do is the power steering and the new Borgenson steering box, and then put the engine and trans in, stuff like that, do the interior last. So let me get the camera set up and start doing this other headlight assembly.